In this quick video, I am going to show you how to edit vertical video in Premiere Pro for Instagram. So firstly we need to go to File, then click on New and now Sequence, and in the available preset section select Digital SLR, and under it we need to select 1080p 24 fps. This is a standard high definition preset for videos shot at 24 frames per second. Now switch to the Settings tab where you will need to adjust the frame size. Since Instagram Reels, TikTok and YouTube Shorts require a 19:16 aspect ratio, swap the values, change 1920 to 1080 and 1080 to 1920. This will create a vertical video sequence. To save time in future projects, click Save Preset, name it something like vertical video and hit OK. Your new preset will now appear in the custom folder at the bottom of the sequence presets list. This allows you to quickly apply the settings next time without manually adjusting them again. Once your vertical sequence is set up, drag your video onto the timeline. A message will pop up asking if you want to keep existing settings or match to media. Tap on Keep Existing Settings to ensure the sequence remains in the vertical format. Since most footage is shot in landscape, which is 16:9 aspect ratio, it may not fit properly. So to fix it, go to the Effect Controls panel, locate the scale and position options and adjust them until the subject is centered and framed well within the vertical format. If needed, use the motion controls to reposition your subject within the frame. If the clips look too zoomed in, try adjusting the scale so that it fits naturally without cutting off important parts of the video. Once you are happy with the framing, you can proceed with the further editing like adding text, effects and color grading. When ready to export, go to File, then click on Export and then click on Media, and under Format choose H.264. In the preset drop down, select Match Source High Bitrate or YouTube 1080p Full HD. Ensure the basic video settings show the correct 1080 by 1920 resolution before exporting. Now your video is properly formatted and ready to be uploaded as an Instagram Reel, TikTok or YouTube Short. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.